Giving children chores is a great way of fostering independence, promoting a sense of responsibility, and making children feel like capable members of the household. Participating in household chores also allows children to develop gross motor, fine motor, and cognitive skills needed for all areas of life. It can be tricky deciding what chores to involve your little one in, as you want them to enjoy participating in these with you, while still learning and developing new skills necessary for age-appropriate independence. This is also a great way to get siblings to work together and to assist each other to complete tasks and reach goals. Here are some age-appropriate chore ideas for you and your little one to engage in together. It might be nice to develop one chore for each year of their age. You can ask your 2 to 3-year-old child to put books away, throw trash away, or wash their own fruit. 4 to 5-year-old children can help with wiping up spills, making their own bed, and preparing easy snacks. 6 to 7-year-old children can help around the house with chores like raking the leaves, getting the mail, and vacuuming the carpet. 8 to 9-year-olds can scramble some eggs, help with baking cookies, and loading the washing machine. Appropriate chores for 10 to 11-year-olds includes cleaning the kitchen, sweeping the floors, and cleaning the showers, toilets, or tubs. Children aged 12 and older can help with ironing clothes, mowing the lawn, or cleaning the fridge. It's important to think about some practical tips to increase the organization, motivation, and completion of these tasks. To do this, you can use a chore chart to remind your child of their daily chores. You can mark the chores off on a daily basis to help your child to keep record of what still needs to be done. Breaking tasks into simpler steps is also a great way to assist the child in completing activities. Visual schedules and time management strategies can also assist your child, and the use of a sticker chart can both motivate and affirm. Helping a child to become independent is an important part of developing their self-esteem and fostering their development. Have fun and keep them involved in daily tasks at home.